Welcome to the first video in our new series, Learning Tech Tips, where I'm going to provide quick ideas for ways to use our instructional technology tools here at UNCG. In this video, I'll show you how you can use Teams as a parking lot for questions in face-to-face classes. I'll start by showing you what I mean by that, and then if you're interested, you can keep watching to find out how. So the first thing to know is that Teams is not just video conferencing. It's a robust communications and collaboration platform. So with Zoom, you probably only used it if you needed to schedule virtual meetings with your students. But Teams has a lot of features you might consider using even when you don't need video conferencing. So in this case, imagine I'm lecturing in front of 50 or maybe even 200 or 300 students, and I need a way to manage questions from my students. So I tell them to go to the class team and add any questions they have for me here. And then when I'm done lecturing, I can come here to see what questions my students had for me and I can address them. I might even tell them to give a thumbs up to any question they really want to hear the answer to, so that when I'm ready to start that Q&A portion of my class, I can see, exactly which questions I should probably address first. And then once class is over, if I didn't have time to address every question that was asked, I can come in here, type out an answer to this question, maybe even post a link to a resource that will help my students understand that question better and clarify that concept for them. Now let's take a look at how to get this set up. It just takes a moment. So you'll just open your course in Canvas and then go to Settings. Look for the Integrations tab at the top and you'll see there's something called Microsoft Sync. And if you click this to enable it in your course and then click Sync Now, this is going to create a new team in Microsoft Teams where you are the owner and your students are members. And so just within a few moments of doing this, you will get a notification here in the Teams app prompting you to activate the class team. And there it is. So I'm going to go ahead and click my activity bell where I will see that Microsoft Sync has added me to the course and it prompts me to activate the class team. This team will not be available to your students until you do this. So you'll go ahead and click activate when you're ready to start using this team with your students and then click activate again. And this is now ready to start using. There is one more thing you should do in your course, and that is to go to the course settings and then look for the navigation tab. Then what you're going to do is find Microsoft Teams classes, click and drag this to the top section wherever you want it in your course navigation. And then of course click Save. And that is going to add a link to the team so that your students can easily access it. They'll just be able to click open. It's going to pop it open either in their browser or the Teams app if they have it on their computer. I hope you enjoyed our first Learning Tech tip. Keep an eye out for more videos like this in the future.